concept of a hazy picture, and the name itself says picture perception and discussion test. So they want you to perceive it. When they want you to perceive it, it is your way how you perceive it. If you try to make it a kind of an objective questions, or if you make it a kind of a academic kind of a working that it should be like this, it should be like this, isko yahan rakhna chahiye, isko yahan rakhna chahiye, that will never going to work. The idea is whole PPDT reflects the very blueprint of your personality. You are at the core. बहुत सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसको मत उलझाओ आप लोग, बहुत सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है। इसको आप ऐसे समझ लीजिए, एक इंसान जो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी में या एक्सप्रेशन में बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, the one who is not so good in the concept clarity and in expression, that particular person if is having a very strong foundation of a character, of a strong go-getter personality, and a person who can really go forward and really can gracefully accept the odd situations, he or she could be one who might be very easily picked up in a PPDT. What I'm trying to tell you from this is, it's not the overall game is not about, the majority game is not about the expression. Expression is important, undoubtedly, but the crux is all about the reflection of who you are. Expression plays an important role in that, but at times if you are little weak in expression, then also the reflection of persona of personality, a reflection of personality can also be delivered. So what you rightly said, first you need to clear your these agendas. If you are not able to get through with the process, that does not mean कि हम जबरदस्ती गलतियां ढूंढे. As in, introspection is required. Need to find out the problem. Need to figure out the problem. But that does not mean that we should figure out something which is like we are not having a clarity about it and we are just going to say कि ठीक है जी ये problem है, ये problem. Now understand what has been the major thing. Whatever you have perceived, but what you have perceived after that, the making of your story actually shows me a little state of confusion within your mind. And that is the reason you have not been able to deliver a very impactful story. Now, how it shows, I will tell you. But before I explain, I would like to ask you, Harsha, at that time, that when you were writing this particular PPDT at that time, tell me very honestly the exact state of your mind. Were you having the state when you were feeling quite a little into a strong pressure, and most importantly, pressure is on everyone, वो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, pressure तो हर किसी को होता है, but most importantly, you were little going confused and blank. Specifically, was that the state?
Yes, sir.
Right. The point is, it is getting reflected from your story. अब आप पूछोगे कैसे? It's very logical and evident, and you are making. See, you wanted to deliver a crux of a story. अगर मैं आपकी story को बहुत simple words में बोलूं, आप basically इस story से ये crux देना चाह रहे थे, that whatever the kind of picture which was there in front of you, you perceived it in a certain way, where you made Ramesh as a hero. That means Ramesh is you only, and Ramesh took a lead, and by taking a lead and initiative, he helped the friends to actually go forward, made him learn swimming and all those things, blah, 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 right? But the point is, the hero, along with being the one who is doing some actions to show their personality or spread the goodness, that is very good, that you must show it in the actions. But the overall game, what you write, has to be very practical also. I don't understand. You start the story saying Ramesh and his friends always had a very busy academic schedule, right? So one day they planned to go for a trip when Ramesh came up with an idea to go to a beach where they all can swim together and enjoy a lot. Now the point here is this little finds me actually it finds me that while you were writing you were actually confused. What it means that they were having a you are writing on one hand they are having a very busy academic schedule, and on the other hand you are saying that someone is already very busy and someone one day they were just sitting and they just planned for a trip, right? And in the trip, now tell me one thing, I'm just wanted to ask you, when you go for a trip from a very busy schedule, आप बहुत काम कर लेते हैं and you just get completely blocked, and after you plan out something, आप क्यों प्लान करते हो? आप retreat क्यों प्लान करते हो? Tell me why you go for a retreat or a holiday. बहुत सारे लोग पैंडेमिक में घर बैठे रहे, they were just sitting in the home and after that they said I want to go some out. What is the reason?
Sir, to get relaxed.
Correct. So we want to go and we want to get relaxed. Now you are saying already they have a super busy academic schedule, right? Still, what you are trying to deliver as a kind of from your story, what you are delivering as a overall perspective that they managed to take out some time to go to a trip and they planned for a trip and then they planned for a beach. And in that beach problem came that one of the friend doesn't know swimming. And then he thought कि अब मैं पूरी swimming सिखाऊंगा. Tell me one thing. You are completely busy with something and completely flooded. You want to go for a retreat, for a relax. Do you feel for you and for that friend, both of you want to go and relax, and you are saying, okay, I will make you teach something now again, and you learn again, and then we will go for a retreat. Do you really find it something a digestible or practical thing?
No, sir. No, sir.
This is the problem, my dear. And because of this, it completely shows that when this chap was writing the story, he got confused. He actually got confused. And when he got confused, what he is trying to do, now understand, what he is trying to do, he is trying to be pretentious in a way, showing his qualities. Why? Because the kind of problem you have created, it is not a problem. But because you wanted to show the karma of Ramesh, who is no one but he is you only, and because you wanted to showcase the blueprint of your personality, you created a kind of a problem with your own. The problem is doesn't know swimming. मैंने swimming सिखाई, I taught him, he learned, did practice, blah blah blah. They went and they did enjoy it. The overall outlook is, now understand the crux. The crux is this chap was confused while writing, and then with the confusion, he tried to smartly took over the game, and I can find that this does not comes very naturally as a story. This is more of trying to be pretentious. And now what I have rightly said to you, just go in the flashback and share what was your state of mind. First step, you said that yes, you were little confused and going blank. Now I'm telling you the second thing, and tell me that is the truth or not. With this thought process, there was another thought which was holding you, and that was that somehow I need to show my OLQs.
Yes, sir. Yes. Subconsciously, I was doing the same, sir.
I'm sorry?
Yes, sir. Subconsciously, I was doing the same, sir.
That's it. You were trying to be subconsciously trying to do the same, making it a process, and automatically it becomes so pretentious, and that is why it is not at all an impactful story. This is the crux. आपको बहुत subtle पे उतर के देखना पड़ेगा. That is what I have been telling you, all of you. It's not about what you think. Just understand the crux of PPDT, how PPDT goes. Now, can you see, just by your story, I picked up that what was the state of mind you were having. Whereas in this story, nothing is like described like this. And now when I have explained you, now you can resonate it. Just see, it's so logical and obvious. आप मतलब कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, वे वो बहुत बिजी थे, बिजी के बाद आदमी रिलैक्स होने जाता है. आपने कहा आजा भाई मैं एक और चीज में तेरे को बिजी कर देता हूं पहले. And then I am trying to create. The idea is you need to perceive. When you perceive something, obviously it's a very simple thing. When you perceive something, there will be a cause and there will be an effect. But that cause and effect should not be pretentious. That means it has to be something which should lively describe that particular thing, where you are actually doing that particular action logically by the heart, but not with an objective to show that I am good and I am the right person to get selected, or one should select me. The moment you will tune your mind to this frequency, unknowingly you will end up writing something which you will not realize, but that will be something which will not let you pass the system. And that is something which is, you can see right now, also happened with you.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you got that clarity at a very subtle level? What is the main link which got disconnect totally?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All other people also just understood, like, what is the very, very subtle problem in it? Any questions anyone has on this?
Sir, I have a question, sir. Prashant.
Yeah. Tell me, Prashant.
So is there any way to deal with this kind of situation, like getting confused? Like pressure is the one part that it is always there, but the second part, as you
सबको आएगा उसमें, वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना आए किसी को भी.
Then the second one is the confusion. Like it may happen, like in a hypothetical situation, if it happens. So how to deal with it? We have just 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So is there any way to deal with this?
There is a way to deal with it, and the way is very simple. There is a very simple way. The simple way to deal with the confusion, you need to understand what is the source of a confusion.